Chad here, and I'm here to talk to you about Mega Bounce from Duncan Toys and Toysmith. I like Mega Bounce for many reasons, not the least of which is I can now run down the stairs wearing an Indiana Jones hat with this chasing me, recreating one of my favorite ever movie scenes. The main reason I like Mega Bounce is because it makes my kid tired.
No, it doesn't.
Yes, it does.
Down the stairs.
So get yourself the Mega Bounce XL from Duncan Toys and Toysmith. Do you like it, Liam?
Yeah.
Get yourself a Duncan XL. Don't worry, when it gets dirty, you can just clean it with dishwashing liquid, give it a quick wash, comes right off, because trust me, it's going to get dirty if you have an active kid. Get yourself a Mega Bounce XL from Duncan Toys and Toysmith. Bye!
Bye.